In this video, I want to share with you the asset previewer from Video Tool Chest. It's the second drawer in the top right here, and what this allows you to do is look for assets on your computer and hopefully be able to find them much quicker. One of the biggest and most annoying tasks in creating videos and other projects as well is just finding assets to work with. So a lot of times you've bought a lot of awesome assets, but it takes too long to find anything. So we're trying to solve that problem with the asset previewer. So here you notice that I got a couple folders selected. So if I do a search, it's going to look for whatever I'm doing a keyword search for. Here inside of, I've got a documents folder with the Easy Animator Pro Anabits because I know those are keyworded. And also a Dropbox folder here with Doodle Labs images. And I'm just going to go ahead and choose one more folder. I just put my videos on my desktop just so I can find them quickly. And you can see here that now I can do a keyword search. Now, this keyword search, you may be familiar with our Easy Animator Pro and Kinetic Text Animator, both do keyword searches, also Groove Animator and Doodle Animator. So I'm going to go ahead and just do a keyword search here, and it does find stuff with the camel tip, which is basically the first letters capitalized, and then the rest are not. But you can do searches. If I did a search for bus, or if I did FUL in the word successful here, it would still find that word. So it's not just starting with the camel tip anymore. And that's because we wanted to open the door for the fact that you probably have assets on your hard drive that are not keyworded. They might probably have a file name, but they may have dashes or all kinds of different stuff. And we want you to be able to find those too. But you can see here that it's found both, let's see, PNG images, SVG images. It would find JPEG if there was any. There's also video files down here, MP4. It would do MP3 and WAV files. I'll show you in a second. But inside of the previewer, you can do a couple cool things. First of all, I can actually preview the video, so I can actually watch that video and get a sense of what's that and see if I want to use it. I can also reveal in Finder, so I can find out where that is and get access to that right away. So then I can take this and put it inside of, Kinetic Text Animator or whatever I was working with in order to kind of move on with my project. And that's really the key of this tool is you want to be able to find your assets and then move on to creating your videos or your other projects. And so I wanted to point out also that we can preview audio as well. So let's just do, I'm just going to do, have a different folder here. Also put it on my desktop to make it easy to find. And then I'm just going to do a search for, I happen to know one of them has the keyword upbeat in it. So I'll just do that. There, it finds it. And not only that, but I can actually listen to it. It's easy to find assets, and what we're trying to do is we're trying to add even more assets to find. We're looking into SWF, for example. I know that a lot of you have that assets like that, so do I, and other formats as well. Whatever is associated with video that we can support, we're going to try to get it inside of the asset previewer in Video Tool Chest. So that is what you can do and how you can find your assets with the asset previewer in Video Tool Chest.